Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Today I will show you my last purchase May Day. Let's go. First, I have just opened this. It's one of my missing insert card of 2010 Panini XL Adrenaline. Of course, it's some a little bit like some gaming card, but anyway, I get the basis card, and now I try to chase the insert. Nice. This is Jonathan Stewart. On that, I don't know if you see in my last 33 missing card, some extra signature, some no special. Now it's okay. And I think the more difficult card to find is some ultimate. If someone know where I can purchase this, you can let me know. Thank you. Next, I will open this. What is it? I don't know, because I buy so many things that I don't remember my purchase. Let's go. I will try what I will get. Maybe there is the belt. Ah, okay, nice. Very happy with this. I buy this to a French guys, I think. First, okay, nice. It's Ty Montgomery Auto Jersey. I not pay too much for this. I think I pay €7, something like this. Of course, for this moment, he not it in the NFL. He plays in the NFL, but not very few. But I love this auto. I love this. This is tremendous. This other. Is yet in NFL. I don't know where he is. Maybe he's in for the Bengals. I'm really not sure about this, but he's yet in the NFL. Oh my gosh, so great! Oh, crazy! Oh, crazy about this. Maybe he will be the next Super Bowl MVP. Who knows? Next, what is it? Oh, it's Tony Parker, the best French player who play in NBA history. For this moment, it's from far. It's a game jersey. I haven't got many stuff about Tony Parker. Quite happy with this. On this, it's an auto that is remember my teenager years. It's G Brown. Of course, he not maybe made a so crazy career, but he wins the slam dunk contest and with the pump. I don't remember the shoes, Reebok shoes, but yes, very happy to get this. Is really pure nostalgia. Thank you. Next, I will see. Must to be some hockey card. I'm not sure 100%, but must to be some hockey card. I will try to cut the letter as net as possible, because I like to reuse the letter. Nice. On that, what is it? Okay, nice. That it's game auto jersey of Antoine Roussel, one of the French who play in NFL, and it is for my PC collection. Great. Nice. Next, what is it? Also Canada. Maybe it's also hockey card. I don't remember. The shipping cost from Canada is often less expensive than when I buy some stuff in USA. On this, what is it? Oh, it's another card for my PC collection. It's Cristobal Huet. In my opinion, the best French who play in NHL in history. On this game jersey is with the Blackhawks, Chicago Blackhawks uniform. Legendary team. Great. Happy with this. Next, what is it? I don't know. Oh, this stuff is really funny because I buy this and this is some circle card. I don't get many about this. Maybe I get some baseball circle card, but I buy some de cyclette. But anyway, there is only two players. There is first Alan Page. I love the color of this card. I think I buy seven. I'm a crazy guy, but anyway. And the other player is Terry Metcalf, running back for the St. Louis Cardinals. Okay, nice. Three on this player. Okay, on other is Alan Page. Quite happy on the. It's a Pepsi collection. Look on the back, it's the same back. Okay, the same back. Potatoes, chips on. Oh, quite happy with this. I don't know which binder will able to store it, but anyway, quite happy with this. Next, oh, that is funny because first, the stamp is not, there is not ink in the stamp, donc happy, I will reuse it. And something special, my letter was checked by the French border. Okay, but I am a right guy. I make some right affair, right business. But let's go. I will see what I buy. I don't remember what I buy from this seller. What? Oh, okay, it's about. Oh, there we see some football. Okay, let's go. Firstly, it's about the French player Cristobal UH for my PC collection. Quite happy with this. I think on this, okay, it's a LA uniform. It's funny because you get a little yellow on the jersey. I'm not sure there is some yellow on the Los Angeles, but okay, on the Los Angeles uniform, but okay. And I like also the Lions, and I buy two cards. One is an auto from Greg Landry. Very happy with this throwback, that's nice. And the other is a game jersey of Matthew Stafford. I'm really a big fan of this player. He moved to LA. I think it's a good deal for the two teams. Geoff will go to Detroit, and Matthews will going for the Rams. But okay, but I love this dude, and of course the Lions is also a legendary teams. Very happy with this. Okay, next. And not one of my last letter. This I know what is it, and I am very happy to grab this. I will show you that it's some card. I buy some card. I think it's come from this case 2011 NCAA football, and you get some a thick card with a helmet and with a helmet on the side, and it's about NCAA player. And they do the same thing for the NFL. I'm very happy. It's a Steve Smith auto on the helmet. Very happy because I love this this series. I like also the New York Giants is really a very legendary team. Okay, $20. I think I paid this price, maybe €10, something like this. And what it's, I just check on the internet before to buy this, and I didn't know, but Steve Smith is the New York Giants all-time holder record for the more reception on one season. And I think it was his 2009, and he got 107 reception or 108 reception, something like this. But I didn't know that he was he holds the record for the more interception in 1 year. Donc quite happy to get this on my PC collection. On the last, let's go. cut really nice. I struggle. I don't know what it is. It must have come from Canada, USA. Okay, and oh, they must to get a paper with my. Okay, okay, nice. Oh, it's about my PC collection from French hockey player. We get the star, nice. And okay, it's a jersey of Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. Very happy with this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.